guys, welcome back to the channel. This time I'm doing a night ride. Was out with the boys and last minute there was this meet going on that we remembered and we're like, I don't know, should we go, should we not? And then the boys wanted to ride, so we're like, alright, whatever. Went back home, grabbed the bikes, and now we're all riding together to the meet. We got the Fireblade over here. I know it's dark. We got the RSV4 factory, the new one. And back there we got my buddy on the V4S and the S1000 RR M package. That V4 engine though. Everyone's vibing. It's getting a little chilly, so it's nice hoodie weather. The only problem is that I forgot to switch my visor to my light smoke visor. I'm using the dark visor, so I cannot really see much. But yeah, we wanted to have a nice variety, so we have the German, the Italian, and the Japanese right here. Yeah, we'll see how this meet that we're going to is. We have no expectations. We don't know if it's going to be nice or not, busted or not. We just wanted to go on a night ride. I don't even know where this meet is. I thought it's way closer. It's all good though. We're chilling. The ride back is probably going to be colder, but it's also going to be nice because the roads are going to be super empty. Alright, between these four bikes, which one would you take? I believe that's a 22, but same thing, it doesn't matter. Like a newer S1000 RR M package, a V4S, a Fireblade, RR SP, or the new Aprilia RSV4. We lost one. Yeah, or the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. I think they're all about like not the same price, but kind of similar. Oh, the STO. Wow, it's so much nicer. I'm riding with my visor up. It's probably even extra windy for you guys. I don't know why my videos have been pretty windy. I have noticed it while I was editing. Not very sure why it's been that windy. I'll try to mess with my setup and all. I think it's the angle of my mic or something like that. Yeah, all four of these bikes are up there. I like having variety. Like I always say that I like when each one got their kind of like different top tier of the brand, you know? Like the RSV4 factory is like the best Aprilia they make. The Honda Fireblade RR SP is the best Honda they make. This is not the best BMW, but BMW and Ducati have the outliers where you have like the V4R and the Superleggera and all that, but like it's kind of like the top for, you know, a decent price, not like the really expensive stuff. Did we get lost? We went the opposite way. And back to the freeway we go. Okay, I don't want to be right behind him because of all the rocks. I am so confused. Is that them right there? Oh yeah. Hey, we found the meet. Am I rolling? Yeah, I'm rolling. We made it. Okay, this is not a bad turnout. Not bad, not bad. A couple rows. feel bad for our friend on the V4 that got lost, because it doesn't look like he's here. Alright, I'll just send you the location. Bye. Ooh. Whoa, that engine casing is crazy hot. Just burn my leg over here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna stop right here.
Tell them to follow the cops.
Oh.
I don't have a number or anything.
Cops are just gonna chill here. Seems like a very chill meet. It's not even that many people, so it should be fine. Come on, man, we gotta line them up. That's the whole point of getting all the different bikes. Gee, think fast. If we weren't around the bikes, I would have. It's not the helmet I care about, it's the bikes.
What the hell?
Yeah. Homie's struggling. Here. I'll just walk it for you. Catch. You do need to practice walking your bike. All our tails are facing the cops, and none of us have plates. None of us. It's okay, we all have reasons. I was like, is that him? That ain't him, that's for sure.
Very, very good.
Very nice. Very. I was like,
That shit was terrifying. Oh, careful with the cops right there.
I got so confused. I was like, I'm wearing my helmet. What is this? It's the exact same helmet.
Slow.
So it doesn't tip over?
Will it tip over?
Again? Too soon, or are you good?
If you turn the wheel, then it'll kind of go that way, but no, it's worse. What if you turn it the other way now? Oh, yeah. It's because I have the strap. So the strap brings it down. So I just
That's so sketch. I need to move my bike this way a little bit.
Again.
Onto my bikes, and they domino.
I had no carbon then, I have all the carbon now.
Oh yeah. Now the damage will be not fun. We're all showing off the daylights.
Are you all showing up our headlights?
I guess so. I don't have much, but it's something. I was like, is that really not working? Not surprised. We're missing one. Homie got hella lost. I don't know why he got lost. Bro, this bike gets hot. Like real hot.
CBR?
Yeah. Very weird.
It's nice and cool. It's nice.
That's what I thought. Yeah, the Aprilia, for whatever reason, runs really cool. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
I got my permit yesterday. You did?
Hey.
I was so excited.
How you doing, bro? There he is. He made it.
Yeah, I'm coming tomorrow.
This thing is so low.
I'll see you tomorrow, I'm sure. Okay. Yeah. Is this brand new? Yeah, I just got that.
I was telling the people to choose which one of these and that too, because they're all about the same price. Very similar.
So I bought it brand new and just did all the mods at once. So I didn't know it was going to be
Yo, all four of us got the same helmet too. I don't see what you're clicking. Oh, this? Well, yeah, but you can just do this. This is much easier. And yeah,
We're back.
we're too spoiled. We've been going to too many supercar and like hypercar meets. The regular meets don't cut it. But it was a nice ride.
Yeah,
Line it up. Look at this.
Like I actually enjoy it. We're just going chill.
Yeah, just vibing. Just line them up. Look, yours is crooked. It's more forward. Presentable. My OCD. There we go. All right, I guess I'll pause the video here, and we will continue back when we. They all look nice.
Bro, I don't know. I thought.
Hard pick, huh? Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Same name as my YouTube. So, all right, I'll pause it here, and we'll probably continue when we ride back or kick it or whatever. Bye. I have no idea how much battery I got left, I think. He's pulling up right there. The security guy was very serious about his job over here, protecting the parking lot or whatever, so he called the cops and... Huh?
Yo, why are you all calling slow people to ride with us? Why are we calling slow people to ride with us? What? I'm going home. What? What the fuck is this? R1?
Hey man, it's slow, but I got one too. It looks pretty at least.
Well, hey, you upgrading, right? You dumped all the money in your bike, not your house, man. Don't be talking. Look at this shit. Bro, you're 28, I'm 20. When I was 20, I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to help out. We're gonna settle it on our 5. We'll settle it on our 5.
This dude. Now we got an R1M2. What are we missing of the squad? We're missing a Cowie. That's it, right? A Gixxer, I guess. I got used to the brakes of the M1000 with the Brembo master cylinder, and now these brakes feel so bad. They're so like squishy. Oh my god, I put the visor down, I couldn't see nothing. So bumpy too. Squad, I think that's like around my favorite number to ride. Like 4 to 6 people is like the perfect amount of people. When it's more than that, it gets too hectic. We're 5 people now. We're just missing someone with an H2, and then it'll be the perfect full setup. Thank you for the lights. We can see. Yeah, this bike runs pretty hot in my opinion. I'll put some engine ice in it. Hey, whole squad is here. Yeah, like 180s, high 170s. It's pretty high for a cool night like this. We'll try putting some engine ice on her and see if that helps. Maybe we'll get some Samco hoses, blue ones. That'd be cool on this bike. I know these are a lot of work, but I've never actually tried the hoses on any of my bikes, but I've been told that they definitely work, so maybe we'll try that. Squad! 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 I was like, I'm trying to leave too, so we'll just kick it here for a little bit and then we'll go. Over there? I heard it.
I went to leave it and I just gassed it up.
I heard it. Alright, I think that's it. The rest of the ride is pretty much just going to be a riding home after this. We're just going to hang out, maybe get some food, and then, yeah, call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a chill little meet, you know, nothing crazy, just hanging out with the guys, chill night ride. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you did, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, Tiff.